when you see the question, you just see the question over here, you need to find the sum of the given below, where it is 7 plus 10 integer 1 by 2 plus 14 plus up to 84. Now arithmetic progression has been provided. Okay, so the last term is also given. When last term is given, arithmetic progression is given, you need to find the sum. But the question is, do you know n value? Either you use the first formula or you use the second formula. What is necessary? Necessary is n value. But now in this case n is not provided. First thing is we should calculate the n value, and later, since the first term and the second term both are provided, means first term and the last term are provided, we can directly use the second formula. Okay, now let me start with the sum here. I'll take the n value first. How to take the n value? By an formula. You know that a is already provided. A is equal to how much? 7. And d, let me calculate the d value, that is a2 minus a1. See, 2 tens are 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 minus 7. So LCM is also 7. 2 ones are 1 twos are 21 ones are 21, 7 twos are 14. That is equal to how much, dears? D value is equal to 7 by 2. Now A is equal to 7, D is equal to 7 by 2 I got. And now AN is also there. AN is equal to how much? AN is equal to 84. Now let me use AN formula to calculate n value. What is the AN formula I have? AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. See, A is equal to how much, dears? A is equal to 7. And already AN is provided 84. A is equal to 7 plus n I should calculate, and D is, you know that D I have calculated as 7 by 2. Here it is. Okay, now you just see, I'll bring 7 to this side. Positive 7 turns to be negative 7. So I will be having 84 minus 7. 84 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. See, 84 minus 7 is how much, dears? 14 minus 7 is 7, carry 1, that is 77. Okay, is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. I'll bring this to this side. Okay, so multiplication turns to be division, or else you can take denominator value, go to numerator, numerator value come to denominator. So 77 into 2 by 7 is equal to n minus 1. 7 ones are 7 11s are 22 equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 if I bring, I got n is equal to 23. Okay, so now I got n is equal to 23. Once I know the n value, I'll calculate the Sn value. Now which formula is very easy for me to use? Both formulas possible over here, because you know A is there, D is there, N is there. Either you can use ADN, that is first formula, or the direct second formula. You remember the second formula? Second formula is the easiest way to calculate in this method when last term is known. So what is the formula I have? Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket A plus L. First term, last term. See, n value is how much? 23. 23 by 2. A is how much, dears? 7. And what is the last term you have? 84. Understanding? You just see here, 23 by 2 into 84 plus 7 is how much, dears? 91, because 7 plus 4 1, 91. I have calculated. Now just multiply and tell me the answer. 23 into 91. Okay, so I'll do here. You just see, 91 into 23. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 3, 9, 10, 2. So 2093 divided by 2. So this is the sum of first 23 terms. Understanding? You can convert it in the form of fraction or a decimal also. But since the question is in the form of fraction, you can keep it in the fraction form also. Understanding? Okay, we'll move to the next question. The first step is to calculate n value. Okay, so let me start with the sum here. I have a value. What is the a value? 34. And what is the d value? A2 minus A1, that is equal to 32 minus 34. That is equal to how much? D is equal to minus 2. Okay, A is equal to 34 and D is equal to minus 2. And dear, AN is equal to 10. That is provided. But now N value is not provided. So let me calculate N value. Which is the formula I should use? AN formula. You know that AN is equal to, okay, A plus N minus 1 into D. A is equal to how much? 34. AN is already provided, that is 10. Okay, N I should calculate, and D is equal to how much, DS? Minus 2. I will bring 34 to the side. Plus 34 turns to be minus 34. So I'll be having 10 minus 34 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 2. 10 minus 34 is how much? Minus 24 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 2. Let me bring this minus 2 to this side. Minus 2. Multiplication turns to be division. So I'll be having minus 24 divided by minus 2. Minus minus got cancelled. 2 ones are 2 12s are. Okay. So 12 is equal to N minus 1. If I bring minus 1 to this side, N will become how much? 13. I got N value as 13. Once I get N value, it becomes very easy for me to calculate the next sum. Okay. So which formula I should use, dear? The second formula, isn't it? So Sn is equal to N by 2 into bracket A plus L. Isn't it? Now just see, N is equal to how much I got? 13. 13 by 2. What is the first term? Yes or no? The first term is 34. And what is the last term? That is 10. Let me write here. First term is 34 and the last term is 10. So 13 divided by 2 into 34 plus 10 is how much? 44. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 twos are. So 13 into 22. So multiplication, now the process of multiplication, 13 twos are 26, 2 carry, 13 twos are 26 plus 2, 28. So the sum of first 13 terms of an arithmetic progression is 286. But the question is, dears, whenever it is in the formation, don't get confusion and just take the N value 10. Don't be like that. Okay, slowly follow the procedure so that you will get the answer very properly. Hope it is clear. We'll move to the next question. Okay, the next question is, see, minus 5, minus 8, minus 11 up to, the last term is minus 230. So the same thing, dear, the procedure remains the same. I need to weigh out with the N value, and after that I need to go for AN value. Okay, so now when you know the question, you can directly write the A value, that is minus 5, isn't it? And you know how to calculate the D value, that is A2 minus A1 minus 8 minus of minus 5, isn't it? Now I'll be having minus 8, minus into minus will become plus 5, minus 8 plus 5 will be minus 3. Okay, D is minus 3 I got, and the last term is, we know what is the last term, dears? Minus 230. The thing is, we should calculate the N value first. Which is the formula I should use? I should use AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, isn't it? N value is known, minus 230. A is equal to minus 5 plus N minus 1 into D value is minus 3. What I do, I'll send this minus 5 to this side. Minus 5 turns to be plus 5. So I have minus 230 plus 5 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. See, minus 230 plus 5 is how much? Minus 225 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. I'll bring minus 3 to this side. Multiplication turns to be division. So I have minus 225 divided by minus 3 is equal to N minus 1. Okay. Minus minus got cancelled. You just see 3 ones are, 3 sevens are 21. 1 left out, 15 it became, 3 5s are 15. So I got here n 75 is equal to n minus 1. If I bring minus 1 to the side, plus 1, so I have n is equal to 76. Now I got n value. Okay, so I should use the sum formula, second formula dears, because the first and the last term is known. So which is the formula I'll be using? Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket a plus l, isn't it? N is equal to how much? 76. So 76 by 2 into a is equal to dears minus 5, and the last term is minus 230. So plus into minus is minus. The 2 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. So here I got 38 into bracket minus 235. So multiplication we need to do, plus into minus minus. You just see here, we'll do the small calculation. 235 into 38. See, 8 5s are 40. 4 carry, 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 8 2s are 16 plus 2, 18. 3 5s are 15, carry 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 0, 8 5 13, 9 8. So I got here minus 8930, means the sum of first 76 terms of an AP is given as 8930. So please do highlight the answer wherever the value is